Question 7. Before we move on to question 7, just want to go over that last question was question 6, not question 5. Just making sure. Alright, question 7 is determine the agency matrix for the networks shown in the figures below. If this is your first time hearing the word matrices or agency matrix on networks, go back, look at the chapter 10 PowerPoints, and then come back to this question. Alright, so for agency matrix, I'm going to do this for A on your worksheet. First I'm going to draw the matrix so you know what I'm talking about, where I'm getting my numbers. Alright, so we've got one line connecting them to the C, one. Alright, that's our that's our network. And we need to draw an agency matrix. So, on your matrix, you don't need to have the letters A, B, C, D down the side or on your columns and rows, but I'm just going to put that in to help us so you can see visually what we're doing. Alright, so with this, point A cannot connect to point A. Like, you're already at point A, there's no direct path you can take to go to point A. From A to B, you've got 2 edges. From A to C, you've got 2 edges. And then he writes 3, good one. And then A to D, there is no direct path that you can go from A to D, so that's a 0, and I just realized that we need E, so I'm gonna put that in, and then A to E there is 1 path, so that's your first row. So if we've got this right, from B to A should be the same as A to B. So that's 2 here, so that's a 2. B to B, you cannot do that, there is no direct pathway, there's no loop. B to C, we've got 1. B to D is 0. B to E is 0. C to A, we've got 2. C to B, we've got 1. C to C is 0. C to D, we've got 1. And C to E, there's no direct pathway, so that's 0. D to A, you know that's 0. D to B, there's no direct path, so that's 0. D to C is 1. D to D is 0. And D to E is 0. E to A is 1. E to B is 0. E to C is 0. E to D is 0. E to E is 0. And that is your agency matrix for this network.